No. So we need to give the execution permission, right? So what is the command give permission to a file? What is the command to give execution permission to a file? Chmod. Yes. So now I'm going to use chmod for all the owners execution permission with the name sample.sh. Clear? Right? This command. Okay, I'm giving only execution permission. Okay, I'm not using 777 because if you are using 777, you are passing all the permissions, right? But I don't want that. I want to give only execution permission, reading execution for others. Okay. So now ls space -l. Okay, you can see the permission here, execution permission. Okay, and you can see the change in color also. Already you know whenever you are giving execution permission, the color of the file will be changed to green color, right? Okay, so now I want to run this. Okay, I want to run this. So what is the absolute path of this? So pwd. Okay, pwd. So now if I want to run the file /home/shell scripting, okay, shell scripting slash what is the file name sample.sh. So to execute this file, so what we have written inside that file, create a directory one, go inside the directory and create the readme.txt file. So now I'm running this file. Okay, I'm running this file. Okay, sorry, inside the directory I have created, right? Sample.sh. Give me a second. /home/ okay, I have made mistake in spelling here. You can see here. So scripting I have forgot to write R, so that's why. Okay. Okay. Now you can see the file is executed. So how to check whether the file is executed or not? So ls, you can see dir1 is created. So inside the dir1, if you want to check, readme.txt file is also created. Clear? Clear now? So just by running the file, I created a directory. I created a file inside the directory. Okay, but next time you can't use that because already directory one is there, so it will not create. So you can see here, you can't create a directory one because already directory one is existing. So you need to modify that directory one there. Clear? You need to modify that. So it's not a good thing to practice again and editing the file again and again. So it's better to take input from the user. Okay, better take input from the user and then start running the file. Okay, and take input from the user only. Clear? Okay, so now what I will do, I'll just edit the file. Now I'll use vi editor. Okay, vi editor I'll use. So now you can see here. So instead of dir1, so what I will do, so I to insert. So now, so look at here everyone. So echo the double quotes. So enter the name of directory. Okay, better. Okay. So before going to do that, first make a note of this shell script file. So keep the heading script one and write down from here from shebang operator and the path and list of commands. Okay, then I'll do the modification to the next upgraded version. So please make a note of this. Later we will discuss the next shell script. Okay. So keep the heading script one, use the shebang operator and the path. After that, try to create a mkdir and cd and touch basic one. Now we'll do modification. After that, we modify it as a second script. Write it as a second script. So done. Okay. So done, everyone. Daritri Saho Shebang operator. If you like, if I want to discuss, I'm going to explain what is hash and what is that exclamatory also. But basic part, I'm not going to discuss much. That is an operator. To start any shell script file, we are going to use that operator. Okay, so it's an operator that we are going to use to write any shell script file. Okay, to mention the path or to mention the which shell you are using, we are going to use shebang operator. Okay, for example, now I'm using this script on the bash shell. Already you have discussed, we have discussed that types of shells according to CLI type. There is a bash and sh. So now I'm using this bash. Already I know the path. Already we have discussed yesterday cat space slash etc slash shells. So from there, this path exactly you can see this path also. Okay, slash bin slash bash. So now I'm writing my script on the bash shell. Okay, so clear. So please make a note of this. Now I'm going to modify take input from the user. So right now with this script, what is the drawback? So you can create only you can use this script only once. After that, it will throw an error like already directory exists. You can't open the file, edit the file, and again you need to modify again and again. It's not a good practice. So what I'm going to do here, so I'll use a printing statement, that is echo, enter the directory name. Okay, enter the directory name. Okay, clear. After this, okay, read the variable a. Okay, read a variable a, and here, okay, mkdir. So what I should write here, I want to create a directory which is the value of a. So now what I should write here, so I need to access the variable a, right? So to access the variable a, what we have discussed yesterday. So how to access a variable? How to access a variable? No. Archana, why echo? Okay. So dollar a. Okay. So now whatever value we have entered in a, it is going to consider it as a directory name. If you are writing only a, it will create a directory with a only. But we want the value of a, right? Okay, so here also same. Instead of cd space directory 1, we need to access the value which is present in a. Okay, so here once after this, one more printing statement. Okay, enter the, okay, enter the file name. Enter the file name. So here, once after this, read a variable. Okay, read a variable b. So now if I'm using touch b, it will create a file with the name itself b, but I don't want that. I want the value which is present inside the variable b, that I want. So what I should do, access the variable of b with the dollar sign. Clear? And to save the file and quit the file, press escape in VI editor, and after that type W for saving the file, Q for quitting the file. Enter. Clear? So now I'm going to run the file with the path itself. So now everyone please look at here, enter. So now it is asking enter the directory name which you want. Okay. So what I'll give? I'll give test. Test is the directory name. Okay. And after that it is asking me enter the file name you want. Okay. So I'm going to give test.txt or test.java for example. Enter. So now if I type ls, there is a directory with the test. If I see ls, what inside the directory, so you can see test.java is there. So if you are running multiple times, okay, even though if I'm running multiple times, it will keep on creating multiple directories. No need to use mkdir and no need to use cd and again touch. No need to use these things. Okay, so just I'll display the file. you can see that content, and please make a note of that. Okay, after finishing a few scripts, I'll give access to you so that you can also create your own scripts. Okay, please write down this script. Second script, keep a heading second script, and please make a note of this. So please make a note of that. So done, everyone? So make it fast. See, not only for these are very basic. Okay, we are learning from the basic, and we have some advanced. Like if you want to search any file, if you want to search any file, you can search in a file with the help of a script file. If you want to do lot of tasks, just run the script. It will create automatically. Okay, it will take care. So it will automate your task, and it will save your time. Okay. And when you're working in projects, okay, when you're working in projects, already people will create these script files. You need to execute that script files. That's it. You should know how to execute a file first of all. How to execute a shell script file, you should know. Already they are prepared with the file. You need to use that file in your projects. Okay, when you're working in any projects, and if you're using Linux and shell scripting, already they'll create some files. They'll create some scripts. Or if you want to automate your own tasks, you can do it with the help of shell scripting in your daily tasks in a project. Okay. So already we have discussed Sudarshan Kiran Patil. So yesterday, if you want to see the list of shells available in your operating system, there is a command cat space /etc/shells. No, you can't do it. If you want to do it in command prompt, you can learn Python scripting and you can execute. But shell scripting will work on shell only. So any operating system which consists of shell, like any flavors of Linux, any distributions of Linux, it will work. If you want to automate in Windows, you can use Python scripting. So done, everyone? Okay. So now we will see one scenario. Okay. So we will see one scenario. Like I want to create a directory. Okay, I want to create a directory with the name India. Okay, country. Okay, after that, directory, inside that directory, I want to create. Okay, I want to create states. Okay, I want to create 3 different states. Okay, one is Karnataka, I'll use, and another one Andhra Pradesh, and one more I'll use Telangana. Okay, so this is the shortcut, right? I want to create like this. Okay, I want to create like this. Inside that, I'll create a file with the city name. Okay, .txt or whatever text file or basic text file, and here I'll use Tirupati or whatever. There is no capital, right? Okay, for Telangana, I'll use Hyderabad.txt. So I want to create a hierarchical structure like this. Okay, directories, inside the directories, I want to create a file. Okay, so clear. So if you want to do this, what I should do? First, I need to use mkdir India. Okay, I need to do that, and after that cd India. Okay, and after that mkdir state 1, and one more what we need to do, uh, again mkdir state 2 ap, or state one more ts, and after that cd Karnataka, and create a file. Okay, create a file like this. I need to repeat 3 times, right? So this is what we are going to do, but I'm going to automate this. Okay, automate this not only for one country. If you want to do it for multiple, you can keep on modifying that. Okay, you can do that, right? Okay, for example, I want to do this. I want to do this structure, for example, in a project, so where we are going to use these things, states and countries. It's not about states. For example, for your project, you want to create a folder, inside that subfolders, and inside that folders you need a file with the fixed names. Then directly you can use that. But right now in this scenario, user is going to pass the same, right? Okay, user is going to pass the same. But what we will do here, look at here, everyone. So instead of using that, I'll just I, and then so I'll erase everything. So now what I will do, I'll use mkdir India. Okay, because I'm not going to take user input here. So user input you can practice it by with the help of a dollar. Okay, dollar of variables and dollar, and cd India. Okay, cd India, and we are going to create mkdir Karnataka and AP and TS. So multiple directories I'm going to create with the same command only. And after that, cd ke, and create a touch file name. What is that file? Bengaluru.txt. Okay, and now we need to come back, right? Cd space dot dot. Okay, cd space dot dot, and if I want to create cd ap and touch tirupati.txt. Okay, and again come back. So if you are not coming back, all 3 files will be created in Karnataka state only. Okay, Karnataka directory only. Okay, so that's why I'm using that cd space dot dot. Come back to the previous directory. Now enter inside the Telangana state directory and create a file Hyderabad.txt. Okay, press escape :wk. Okay, so done. Okay, so now I need to run the file with the help of the path. Okay, so if I'm running this file, okay, executed. So now type ls. You can see India directory. Go inside that India directory. Okay, ls. You can see AP Karnataka TS. Go inside, or else just by seeing ls, Tirupati is there, and Karnataka, Bengaluru is there, and just by passing TS, Hyderabad.txt is there. Okay, so whenever anybody need this kind of structure, just we will share that file. Okay, we will share that file. Whenever you are working in projects, we will share the shell script file to them. They will run the file. They will get the whatever directories, whatever files. Okay, so like these automated tasks, you are going to do with the help of a file. For example, if I share this file to you, just run the file, you will get the hierarchy structure of all the directories and all the files. You don't need to worry about anything. Just you need to know cd, go inside the particular directory and use the file and write down the content inside the file. Okay, you don't need to worry about how to create directories, which directories for which one, and in which directory I need to keep this file. You don't need to worry when you are working in projects. I'm explaining in a real time. When you're working in any project in a real time, so they will give you the shell script files, okay, for automating the task. Okay, even if you are going further in the topics, we will use shell script files for the Docker in creating images and running the builds in the Jenkins itself. Okay, no need to pass again and again. Just we will keep the file in the remote repository, that is GitHub, and we will fetch that and we will run it. Okay, clear? It's clear, everyone? Clear? Or any doubts? Okay. So everyone, please practice this. Okay, please practice the scripts. Okay, everyone try to create. Okay, first I'll explain here. So everyone, I'll give the user access. So create a directory with your name. Okay, inside this directory, go inside the directory and create shell script files. Okay, and run those files. Okay, pass all the commands, whatever you know, Linux commands. Okay, try it in a different way. So I'll give that access to everyone. So SSH space SSH space shell scripting, username is shell scripting, right, and the IP. Okay, done. And the password is 12345678. Okay, so please practice it and send me the screenshots in QTalk if you are facing any issues. Once you are done with the basic, we will see the conditional statements and operators also. Okay, operators, everything we will discuss. Okay, so that I can see. I'll remove the file. I'll remove the test directory. cd test. Yeah, all hyphen r test. Okay, ls. I'll remove the directory one also, so that it will not merge with your directories. Yeah, still people are creating. Fine. Okay, India also I removed. So please create a directory with your name. Okay, so nothing else. Clear the screen. I told don't create a file, create a folder. Pooja, you created with the .txt. Okay, I'm going to remove that. So please create proper with the name format. How you are going to create a directory with that name? I'll remove this sample.sh also because people are executing that. Ashwath, why? I told you to create a directory. Monica, I told you to create a directory. Inside your directory, try to create files. Okay, inside your directory, try to create files. I think no one created files. Sona, I think I'll remove your file because you created file, not a directory. No, why sudo su for you, Shailendra? So try to create scripts inside the directory. So I don't know why people are still creating the files here. So create shell scripting files inside your folders only. Akanksha, you didn't created any file. Yes, yes. Yes, Monica. Akanksha, you didn't created any shell script file. Yes, Shailendra, I didn't give permission of sudo su to the user, Shailendra Singh. Okay. So there is a procedure to add this user also in the sudo's group. So we need to edit the file. Okay, sudo's file will be there in the configuration files. There we can edit that. Okay. So here, okay, you practice it. Once you are done, message here in the chat box. And if you have any errors, you can send the errors in the code doc. Fine. No. You need to create a .sh file, Shikha Sharma. You need to create a .sh file, not txt file. Yeah, I'll check. So ls Sushma. Yeah, you didn't create it. You didn't create any file, Sushma. You didn't create any file. You created only directory. Inside the directory, you didn't create anything. I think Sweta. Okay, ls Sweta. Yeah, you created Sweta. It's there. So first you need to give the execution permission, right? Chmod. Kavita Sharma. Kavita Sharma, you need to give the execution permission, right? So ls, where is it? Directory is there. Yeah, Kavita. That is normal file. You didn't give execution permission. Already we have discussed. So any shell script file you are creating means it should have execution permission. Prem Madhuri, what history you will see? Nothing is there, right? I didn't pass any command. I created one file, sample.sh. That file I am editing by VA and Nano. Yes, Archana, and try to give that execution permission to the file. No. Okay, I'll check once again. CD. Okay, I'll pass that. So you're using slash forward slash. Why forward slash? I didn't use, right. So because of that, it is unable to go inside the directory. It will create India. You can see here. It will create India. It will create Gujarat. It will create Ahmedabad. But the thing is, it will not go inside. It will not go inside the directory. It will create everything outside. Okay. So remove everything. So I'll remove here. RM hyphen RMDA RMs RM hyphen R. So please modify that script. Ashwini, yesterday you were not there for the class. So I have informed everyone how to execute a shell script file also. I have shared in the notes. I have shared in the notes. What happened, Purnima? So what does the directory mean? Okay. Yeah, it's there.
Audible?
Yes, yes, you're audible.
Sir, I'm trying to edit the file by going back and trying with the backspace key, but backspace key is not working.
No, no, no. You are not in insert mode. Press I. Press I. Then it will
Uh,
work.
okay,
Okay.
means only I need to press instead of backspace.
Yeah, first press I. You will enter inside the insert mode. Then you can use backspace.
Okay.
It's
Okay, it is
working.
working. Yes. Thank you.
Yes, Purnima, it's there. File is created. You can see here. Yeah, I'll check. I'll check. No, Sushma, you didn't created a file inside the directory. You didn't create it inside a directory. Nothing is there, Sudarshan. You didn't create it inside the directory. See, screenshots are not loading. I don't know why. What happened? See here. The thing it's loading. It's take time. I think. Okay, you can create your own files also, shell script files. Okay, just I'll where you have stuck Surabhi Mittal. Control C, come out of that, Control C or Control Q. Okay, so just look at here, everyone. Everyone, please look at here. So now, before whatever directory you are file you are creating, I'm going to delete that file, right? So you are creating a file, I'm deleting that file. So now I will create a one file. Okay, touch by using touch delete dot sh. Okay, so vi delete dot sh. So I created a file. I created a file with the name delete dot sh. Okay, now I'm opening that file to edit. So now here what I will do, press I to enter inside the insert mode. So shebang operator and bin path, okay, or whatever the shell path. So once it is done, okay, once it is done, what I'm going to do, echo, echo, echo. So everyone please stop doing, look at here. This is the useful script for you. Okay, useful script for you. Okay. Enter the file name. Okay, enter the file name. Okay, enter the file name and read the file name. Okay, read the file name in a variable. I'm storing the value of file. I'm storing the value of the file in a variable. Okay, and now here I'm using the loop. Okay, I'm using the, sorry, not the loop, conditional statement. Means first I need to verify, right? So if space square braces, yesterday we have discussed, hyphen f is a flag to delete the value of a. Okay, close it here and then use then. Okay, and then or else you can pass not only this loop. So just wait a second. So what I'll do, I'll make it as a simple, not a complex, rm dollar a. Okay, rm dollar a and print deleted. So I think it got stuck. Okay, deleted file dollar a. Okay, so basic script I have written. Okay, escape w colon wq. So clear. So now the file is not having the execution permission. So I'm using chmod a plus x. Okay, or else I'll give for the owner only. Otherwise, you will execute that file. Okay, I want to restrict that. Okay, so now ls hyphen l, you can see the delete file. Where is the delete file? Here you can see only root can access, root can execute, you can't execute that. Okay, so clear the screen. Okay, so this is the problem if you are using aws terminal inside the browser. So that's why when you are learning aws also, so we will use to connect to the server with the help of command prompt or external applications like Mobextrum or any command prompt. We will not use in the Chrome browsers. Otherwise, it will eat your RAM like anything. See here how much RAM it is consuming. Memory usage is 366 MB. Okay, only this tab is consuming 366 MB. Okay, fine. So ls. So now I'm going to execute that file. So now what I will do, so I'm going to delete. I'm going to run the file dot slash because the file is in the current directory. So delete dot sh. So it is asking the file name. So I'll delete the Madhuri file. Okay. You can see here, enter. So deleted Madhuri. If you want to verify. Madhuri file is not there. And again, I will delete jaipur.txt. Someone written jaipur.txt. So deleted that file. So again, I want to delete one more file, that is Patil. Okay, so file name is Patil. Deleted the file. And I want to delete someone written sample.txt or someone written ABC here. So I want to delete the file name ABC. Deleted the file ABC. I want to delete what is it, sample.txt. Okay, sample.txt. Sample.txt. Okay, so now you can see no files are there, and someone created india.sh. That one also we will delete. Okay, india.sh. So you can see here someone created Bharat. So deleting the directory with the help of shell script file. Okay, so clear. Okay, just make a note of that command, or sorry, script. Delete. Okay, you can make a note of the script, deleting a file. Please make a note of the script from here to here. So what suggestion, what you're asking?
This one done. Next, what is the ask?
Okay, suggestion, what you're asking? So you need to use PWD, right? So if you want to run your file, so your file is present in slash home. So tell me your file name, Purnima, slash home slash shell scripting. Okay, slash Purnima. And what is your file name? Slash Purnima, what is your file name? Purnima.sh, right? And then Purnima.sh, Purnima.sh. So if I'm running this, see here, already you created, so that's why it is unable to create. Okay, already you are executing the file. So please make a note of this, everyone. This one, script, how to delete the file. So there are advanced also. For example, first it will check the whether the file is there or not. For example, consider you want to delete a file which is not there only. So it will throw an error, right? So instead of that, what we will do? First we will check whether the file exists or not. Okay. Then we will delete the file. Okay. So now next we will discuss how to search a file. Okay, how to search a file, whether the file is exist or not. If yes, show me the path of the file. That also we will discuss. Okay. So done, everyone? Written? So done, make it fast, write it down this one. After that, now we will see, check whether the file exists or not. So it will print, if file exists, yes, file is exist. If not, file doesn't exist. Okay. So we'll use conditional statements if and else. Okay. Yes, that is a script to delete a file. So that is very basic. Okay, that is very basics. For example, if it is a directory, you can delete. You should include that also in the script. So it's a lot of advancements are there, but according to this course, we are going to cover only the basic part. Okay, if you are interested in learning advanced concept, you can contact your counselors and you can book your slot. Okay, and there we will discuss too much advanced like running the tasks automatically. Okay, fine. Okay, so now I'll edit the file. Okay, I'll create one more file. So clear. There is a network issue. Okay. So it's audible right now. Am I audible? Audible right. The screen is visible. Fine. Okay. So now we'll discuss. Okay. CD shell scripting. So, okay, now we'll discuss to verify whether the file exists or not. Okay, so we will discuss a script. Okay, so everyone please look at here. So I'm going to create a file with the help of a touch command. Okay, touch command, and then file exists, dot sh. Okay, and then vi file exists or not. Okay, this is the file I'm going to edit with the editing terminal by using vi editor. Okay, so I'll use the shebang operator here, space, and the path of the shell which I'm going to choose. Okay, so now I'm going to enter the value. Sorry, it means enter the name of the directory. That is with the help of printing statement. I enter the file name first. Okay, file name. Enter the file name and read it in a variable a. Okay, so now we need to verify the condition, right? Whether the file exists or not. So we have conditional statements. Okay, so here I'm using if. Okay, if hyphen f. Okay, condition is hyphen f. Okay, hyphen f in the double quotes. Okay, in the double quotes, I'm going to take the value of a and close the loop and close the double quotes, and then close the square braces, then come back to the then. Okay, according to the syntax of if else. Okay, and this is a condition. Okay, hyphen f stands for whether it is exist or not, it will check. Okay, after that, then echo print dollar $a exist. Okay, dollar $a exists means the value of a, that is whatever file name we are entering. Else echo dollar $a doesn't exist. Okay, so this is the if else. After that, we need to close if by using F5. So press escape. So this is my script, and I'm going to save and quit the file. Colon WQ. So done. So now I need to give the permission chmod u plus x only for the author only I'm giving. Okay, and file exist.sh. So now you can see here. Sorry, I have given upper case x. Okay, lowercase x. So now you can see it is in the green color. So now I'm going to run the file. So file hyphen exist. Okay, so now it is asking the file name. So I'll give sample.sh. So sample.sh is exist. So for example, if I'm running, then someone created Purnima, right? Purnima.sh. So she created inside the directory. Okay, whatever directory inside the directory, the files are exist. So can anyone tell me the file that you have created? Anusha, what is the file name you have created? I think Shweta created, right? Shweta.sh. Okay, so Shweta.sh is exist. Okay, so for example, if I'm giving the file which is not present here, demo also created. Anyone? Stuck. Okay, so I'll search file name with the Java. I don't know why it is showing how they exist or not. One second. What is that name? 3.sh. 3.sh. But it is showing exist. Once again, I'll search. 2.sh. So actually, file is not there, but it's showing so now it is in insert mode. It's audible now? Okay, fine, fine, fine. Okay, so I'm going to search that. Okay, uh, Hindu2.ss. I'll search with that name. So you can see here it is showing file doesn't exist. So before it was showing for everything file exists only. For example, if I'm searching Java, before it was showing exist. There is no file with the Java, right? So like that, just I'll display the script. Please make a note of that script, whether the file exists or not. So this is the script that you are going to use, whether the file is exist or not. And the condition we are going to use is -f space, in the double quotes you are accessing the value of a. Clear? Yeah. Sometimes there is an issue with the application, I think. Okay. So I'll take screenshot of this also, so that I'll share in the Q talk. That will be better. So please make a note of this. At the end, I'll share all the screenshots. Okay. So please make a note of that. After that, we will see. Right now, people are telling like, "Sir, can you please check my file? Can you please check my file?" So right now, what we are doing, we are searching for the file, whether the file exists or not. Now, we'll see how to read the file. Okay, how to read the file, and you can see directly. You can add cat slash $a also. If file exists and display the content like that also you can do. Okay. See, you can execute the file, shell script file in any directory. Okay. Yes. Good Simmer, it will check the child directories also. Whatever subdirectories are there, it will check. Okay. So, for example, if you want to execute the file, right now I'm in shell scripting directory, right? So I'll go back. I'll go back to the home directory. I'll use the path. What is the path? This one, right? Instead of dot, because I'm not in the current directory, I'll use /home/ shell scripting. Okay, shell scripting, and then inside that file is there. It will run. For example, I'll check Shweta dot sh. That is a file name. So it doesn't exist. I think you deleted the file. So look at here. So this file, so whatever file is there, right? So what I will do, I'll give that execution access to you also. Okay, I'll do that thing. So now I'll give that chmod, okay, chmod space a plus cx, okay, a plus cx, and what is the file name? File exist or not, okay. So I'm giving. So now everyone try to use the path. What is the path? /home /shell scripting slash whatever directory name, your name of the directory, and slash this file name. This file name. It means you are executing my file inside your directory. Okay, and check whether whatever file you have created, give that name and verify whether it is working or not, and verify with a different name which the file is not exist. Okay, try to verify. It means you can create file one location and access anywhere, any other directory. So try to access like this /home /shell-scripting slash your directory name and slash file exist name. File exist underscore file underscore exist dot sh. So like this you can run the file and tell me what you are getting. And check with your name as well as file which is not there, that name also. Kavita, you didn't give permission. Chmod, I told you, whenever you're executing shell script, you need to give the permission. But you didn't give the permission. What is the commands that you are using, Archana? cd dot dot, cd space dot dot, and ls hyphen l you are using. ls space hyphen l. Keep the file, whatever the commands I have shared, keep the side and then watch the commands and then practice it, Archana. So done, everyone? It's working, right? Yes. Okay. So for example, what I will do now, so whatever we have discussed that file, okay, I'll create a one direct, okay, I'll create one shell script file. So everyone please look at here. So touch script.sh, okay. So vi script.sh, Okay, so press I to enter inside into the insert mode, shebang operator, and then shell path. Okay, and after that here, so everyone please look at here. Stop doing. Please look at here. So enter the directory name. So on the path of the shell slash bash. So now what I will do here, echo, enter the directory name, so enter the directory name and read in a variable A. Okay, and mkdir dollar A. Okay, and cd dollar A. Okay, and touch. Okay, before that, we will give the printing statement, echo, enter the file name. Okay, so and then read a variable. Read a variable that is nothing but as B, and then touch B, dollar B, dollar B. Okay, ls dollar K. So it is going to list the file obviously. Okay, it is going to list the file. Okay, so first it will do the ls. After that it will do the ls a. Okay, so these are the commands that I'm using in a shell script file. So now what I will do, I'll give chmod a plus x. So now everyone inside your directory, please run this script file. Okay, you know already how to run the script file. Slash home slash shell scripting slash your directory name and then script.sh file name. Okay, so now you can run that file in your directory.
Studio class is not in.
So for path, you need to use that one more script. Yeah, path only. Okay. Okay, so everyone please try to run that file inside your directory. No. You should not use dot Gursimar. You should use the file path. What are the path, exact absolute path, you should use that. No, I'm not in offline mode. Before it was there. So file does not exist. No, it's there, file. So maybe you have done spelling mistake. So the path is /home/shell script. Okay. /shell script, shell scripting /your directory name, your name of the directory, and then /script.sh. This is the path you need to run my shell script file. No, I mean online. It went offline. So can anyone unmute and you can talk?
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes. So, sir, I have tried by using that absolute path also. Still, it is giving the same issue.
Can you please send me in QTalk? So what you before the file exists, you got or not?
No, sir, when I've shared the screenshot, in the first line also, I have tried by absolute path only. Still, also, it was giving the same error. The first line of the screenshot.
Yeah.
First
Okay.
line.
Okay. Everyone, please try to remove your directory name. Remove your directory name. Everyone, try to remove your directory name. Now check it once. Yeah, everyone, please try to remove your directory name and keep everything like /home/shell scripting /file name. Yeah, you can enter the directory name.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Molly, come on.
So without our directory name, it is executing, but the file is showing does not exist. Already there, but it is showing does not exist.
Which file? Which file? Can you please tell me which file that is?
I have
I'll
kept.
try here.
Yeah. Ah, okay. Hyderabad dot text. Okay. So
One
one.
second.
Yeah. Hyderabad.
So what is the file name?
Hyderabad dot text. Hyderabad H capital letter.
Okay.
TXT.
.txt. It's not there.
But he says I have seen yeah, MOULIK in TS CD India.
Okay. One second. /India.
Cap slash Hyderabad
Hmm.
dot text. Okay, TS. Yes.
So inside the TS, right?
Oh, yes.
Okay.
It means I think in the script is anything mistake, sir.
Yeah, wait, let me check. For example, I'll come back. Okay, series plus dollar. Okay, now I'll execute that file. Okay, so I'll enter the file name maulika.script. Mauli
Molly
script dot
script dot sh.
sh. Okay. So the file is existed, right? Give me a minute. There is some issue with that script on. So before it was working fine. So search script.sh. So before it was working fine, right?
Yes, sir. Before it is like
No,
it shown exists if doesn't exist also.
no. After that, it's modified. After that, I modified and it was showing normal only. So I tried for Java and I tried for Sweta.sh. It was working fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll check that. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, you tried with that, whatever I have given, running the file, running the file with the directories. Okay, whatever script.sh. Everyone, please try that script.sh with the absolute path and remove your directory name there. It's executing. Yeah, fine. Sahana, you can install VirtualBox. Okay, then you can practice. So what no such directories Ruby meter? So it's executing, right? Okay. I think someone deleted the file, script.sh. I think someone deleted the script.sh. So where is that script.sh? Script.sh. Yes, you can write and you can execute. See, right now, only the user is you, right? See, all are only the one is your user. Right now, according to this operating system, only the user is shell scripting right now active. So the shell scripting user is the one who deleted the file. Okay. I think someone deleted the file. No content insert. They created the file. They deleted the file and they created the file. If you are deleting the file, you will face issue, not me. Just for your practice purpose, I'm giving this much access. From Maven and Jenkins, I'll not show you, I'll not give you access also. Okay. So just I'll do that. You have to watch it, note down all the steps, and then you can wind up the session for the basic part. Yes, yes, all the things you will get to know when you are using the networking commands. Okay, networking commands are there for Linux. When we are doing that, we will get to know. Okay. So any queries you are having, tomorrow we will discuss arithmetic operators, logical operators, and looping statements. Everything we will see the basic examples, not the practical one, like file exist or not these things. Adding numbers, those kind of mathematical things we will discuss tomorrow. Okay. So any doubts you are having till now? I think someone deleted by using rm command. Okay. So any queries you are having? So I'm going to stop that server. Okay, so automatically it's in power off. Okay. See, run command is nothing but just giving the absolute path of the file. So now I turned off my server, so you're unable to access that. Okay. Yes, yes, we can see. We can see what are the processes are running. Okay, what are the applications are running. Everything we can see. But here right now, I have created only one user. I have given that user to multiple people. Okay. So when you are working in a project for individual, they'll create one user. It's not like all the users are going to use a single one. All the people are going to use the single one. In general, how they will give single user for single person. So if a project consists of 100 people, so they'll create 100 users and they will ready. Then you can log in. Okay. But right now, for the practical or demonstration purpose, I can't create multiple. So I created only one user. Okay, fine. Any queries you are having? So if you have any queries, Okay, so there is some network issue. Okay, it's audible now. Everyone, it's audible. Yeah, fine. Okay, so tomorrow, half of the session we will discuss shell scripting, and remaining half we will discuss the Maven. Okay, we will discuss Maven tomorrow. Fine. Okay, so tomorrow we will meet at the same timing. Okay, so that's it for today. Bye bye. You can leave the session.